Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x plus 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 times x plus 9 is equal to 9. Or rearranging left sides, we can write here x plus 3 times x plus 9 times x plus 5 times x plus 7 is equal to 9. Or now multiplying first two terms, we can write x times x is x square plus x times 9 is 9x plus 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 9 is 27. Now multiplying these two terms, we will get x times x is x square plus x times 7 is 7x plus 5 times x is 5x plus 5 times 7 is 35 is equal to 9. Or now we can write here x square plus 9x times 9x plus 3x is 12x plus 27 times x square plus 7x plus 5x is 12x plus this 35 can be written as 27 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now let x square plus 12x plus 27 is equal to y, or we can write here y times y plus 8 is equal to 9, or y times y is y square, y times 8 is 8y, and taking this 9 to left side we will get negative 9 is equal to 0. This is a nice quadratic equations, so we can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a, or y is equal to minus b is equal to 8, so we can write here minus 8 plus or minus square root of b square, that means 8 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is minus 9 over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1, or y is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 8 square, that means 64, minus times minus is plus, 4 times 9 is 36 over 2 times 1 is 2, or y is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 64 plus 36 is 100 over 2, or y is equal to minus 8 plus or minus, we know that square root of 100 is 10 over 2, so we will get y is equal to minus 8 plus 10 over 2 and y is equal to minus 8 minus 10 over 2, or but remember, let y is equal to x square plus 12x plus 27, so we can write here x square plus 12x plus 27 is equal to minus 8 plus 10 is 2 over 2, and here we can write x square plus 12x plus 27 is equal to minus 8 minus 10 is minus 9 minus 18 over 2, or x square plus 12x plus 27 is equal to 1, or here x square plus 12x plus 27 is equal to minus 9, or x square plus 12x plus 27, taking this positive 1 to left side we will get negative 1 is equal to 0, or x square plus 12x plus 27 minus 1 is 26 is equal to 0. So here we can use quadratic equations. We can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a, or minus b, that means 12. So we can write here minus 12 plus or minus square root of 12 square minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 26 over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1, is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 12 square 144 minus 4 times 26 is 104 over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 104. 144 minus 104, that means 40. So here we will get 40 over 2, or x is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 40 can be written as 4 times 10 over 2, or x is equal to minus 12 plus or minus, here we will get 2 square root of 10 over 2. So finally the value of x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 10, and here x square plus 12x plus 27. Now taking this negative 9 to left side, we will get positive 9 is equal to 0, or x square plus 12x plus 27 plus 9 is 36 is equal to 0. Now here we can use quadratic equation, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a, or x is equal to minus b is 12 plus or minus square root of b, that means 12 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 36 over 2 times 1 is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 144 over 2 is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 0 over 2. So here we will get the value of x is equal to minus 12 over 6, 2 is minus 6. So totally there are 3 values of x. X is equal to minus 6, and x is equal to minus 6 plus square root of 10, and x is equal to minus 6 minus square root of 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.